Hey everyone, this is Dr. Krishna Purohit and I'm basically from Lonavala but after marriage moved to Bombay. I've been working for almost 5 years now, but since the past 8 months after marriage I was unable to work. So I have already done many courses earlier before this also. So we as dentists, this is a very common problem that we see. We don't understand what course to do, whether the course will be totally worth it, how much to spend, how to take out that time for a particular course. So there's this question that always keeps popping up. So about Dr. Shell, I think I had met her a year back for some reason of mine. But yeah, so I had always heard about her and I wasn't sure if I should probably, since I'm not working, I wasn't sure if I should probably take up a course now and how do I start with it. So there was this friend of mine who recommended, she's like, you should do this. It's like a 6-day course and they're going to teach you many things that are more towards the basic dentistry. So I wasn't sure if I should do it because I have already done advanced courses. So should I jump back to the basics, or what do I do? How do I go about it? So yeah, so I just had a word and things like that, and I finally ended up paying, and here I am doing a 6-day course. So I would just like to give you a few advantages of the course. So the course is totally value for money. Value for money, I say that because since it's a 6-day course, we cover many things starting from basics to advanced. We are doing root canals, we are doing aesthetics, we are doing bleaching, we are doing crown cuttings, we are doing post and core. So much, and all under one roof. You don't have to probably search for good doctors, good dentists, and then probably end up doing that. So everything is just under one roof. So that's one of the major advantages that I think this course has. Second advantage that the course has is not just ma'am, but along with ma'am's associates like Dr. Prajakta, Dr. Priyanka, Dr. Surbhi. They've been extremely helpful. They've provided help to us whenever we needed it, and we don't have to hesitate for the smallest of things to oh, can I ask this thing? So however simple or however small the question was, I think I ended up going to any of them, and I always got help whenever I needed. Other than that, the advantage is you get good food. So about food, they always ask us beforehand. I mean, we are going to order this, you're going to get that and all. So which is again a very good thing to do. So these are, I think, the advantages of the course. So yeah, I would just like to thank Dr. Shell for this amazing, rich and fantastic experience that I've got, and this is something that I think I can immediately apply to my practice, as I'm trying to start my own practice. So it just sets up well, it's just there. So that's it, and yeah, thank you so much for igniting the spark in me, and thank you so much for having me here.